Y'all, it's garlic. Oh my gosh.
It smells really good.
That is so
I'm gonna
amazing.
put it back down on the ground, see if it pop up a new one. That's fire.
Wow. What?
Smells like garlic. Might throw it back down there and see if it start a new one. Oh, there's another one.
Oh my gosh.
Little bulb. Nice.
Nice. Banana peel composting right there.
Yep. I'm just gonna leave it in there so it can decompose nicely. Nice and slow.
All right.
You already got some under the dirt. There's little shits everywhere. It's nice.
Smells good.
Hella aromatic.